What's up, my friends? Back for the first time in a long time, as usual. I mean, when do we ever frequently upload or stick to a schedule on this channel? But we are back playing a little bit of World of Warships in the New York. It's been a while since we played in a battleship, let alone an American battleship, so we'll see how we do here. I've been just doing kind of kamikaze cruiser missions. So we'll see if we're on target from, what is this, 12 kilometers out here? Okay, not terrible. Not great. If I recall though, my shells don't do much damage in this ship. Yeah, we got a lot of boys coming at us. No, we've got to turn into them here. Oh no, England are gonna win. Yeah, just do no damage. I mean, I might. Should I just switch to HE? I think my secondaries are like incredibly short. 4.3. I mean, I might have to switch to HE, no cap. Okay. This is pathetic. Is this like all bots I'm playing against? Because I should have probably been blown up by now. Oh yeah, this is my only hope. Oh, these ships are so slow. Is he ramming me? Dude, I think he's ramming me. I think he's ramming me. Oh no. Oh no. Honestly, that was funny. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Why did I not use my rebuild sooner? I'm so slow. Dude, I can't get out of here. Oh, I'm so dead, big bro. I'm so dead. That was so bad. We're so back. Alright, I'm gonna go change ships. We'll see what we use in the next one. That was so bad. Thanks for watching. Love ya.